God damn it. He's not even coming, bro. He's not even coming.
Yo, open the damn door.
Some guys.
You found.
Some guy.
He might be coming down there. He might be coming from the down of the stairs. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to the over of the here. He's not coming, is he? Okay, he's not even coming. We're fine. He's gonna come in the next 5 seconds. He's going to come in the next 5 seconds, guys. We're fine.
I just spawned him.
See, bro, you guys are scared for no reason. See, you guys are scared for no reason.
Yo, I almost got killed like
You guys
3
are scared for
times.
no reason, bro. See, you guys are scared for no reason. I scared you guys.
Bro, I almost got
Not
killed
even
3
coming, you
times 'cause I
idiot.
kept getting stuck.
Bro, he's built like titanium.
Well, then quit screaming and quit freaking out.
The bee finds me. That means they found us.
Okay, he might be coming from this other way. He might be coming from this way. He might be coming from this way. He might be coming from this way. We're fine. He's no longer coming.
He's no longer coming this way.
He no longer coming this way. We fine.
Smiling, bro.
He no longer coming this way.
I just heard him.
No, you didn't.
I heard it too, bro.
You're a liar.
I'm not a mean
I'm
cousin.
also very schizophrenic.
Guys, he's not even down there. We're fine.
So,
He not coming this way. He coming this way. He not even coming this way. You fun bums.
Grandma, I'm only mean.
Okay, he might be coming this way.
Sound that's
He might be
louder
coming
than
this way.
Bean's footsteps.
He might be coming this way.
Stop this lobby from hearing the beans.
Grandma. Guys, don't look at my name. Don't look at my name, bro.
Bro, shut the hell up.
Grandma.
He might be coming to this other ways.
You cannot
Guys,
hear the
don't
beans
look
if I
at
do
my
that.
name, bro.
He might be coming from this way.
Okay.
Shut the hell up. I need to hear the beat. He's not even coming, bro. He's not even coming this way. He's not even coming this way.
Is he in debt? Is the bean in debt?
He's not even. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
He might be coming this way.
That seemed real.
We almost died.
Go to death.
We almost just got raped. We almost got raped. We almost got raped. What is this kid's name?
We're coming to death.
Bro, shut the oh my god things. He's not even coming this way. He's not even coming this way. He's not even coming this way. Bro, whose kid? Bro, what kid's name is the N-word, bro?
There's a 7-year-old without the
buddy, this kid say
knowing
that.
the meaning of the word. What's his ID, bro?
What is bro's ID genuinely?
Oh, bro.
Okay, bro, what is this kid's name? Get his ID. Hey guys, is he coming down there?
Holy
He's not even coming. He's not even coming. He might be coming from down there
Out
though.
of everything.
He might be coming from that way.
Turning around and
He might be coming from that way.
pink dude.
He might be coming from that way.
He's going to death.
He's going down there.
He is in debt.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he's not.
He's not even coming. We're fine.
No, he's not.
Nigger.
Man, shut up.
No, he's not.
Nigger.
Hell no.
Yo, guys,
Nigger.
He might be coming from this way.
Nigger.
I'm safe.
he's not coming. He's not coming. He's not coming.
He might be coming from this way now.
Bozo.
Open up the back of the door, chat. Open up the back of the door. Open up the back of the door.
Help me. Go.
He's not even coming, bro.
Man, why the lobby so
He
fast,
got us.
man?
He
Smells
got
like
us.
bacon.
Who was
He
that
got
from?
us. He got us. No, he got us.
No, my
Like,
chicken.
he got-
My
That
chicken.
nigga out of breath. That nigga struggling. He out of breath.
Oh my God. We are not dead.
Oh,
I am alive.
Okay.
I am a living survivor. He's dead, bro.
He's not even here, bro. He's not even
He
here.
is dead.
He's not even here.
August 8th.
He's not even
August
here.
8th.
He's not even here.
Hey, boo, you're gay. I don't like
He's
you.
not even coming. He's not even coming this way.
You motherfucker.
He's not coming this way.
What? Yeah.
What if he is coming this way?
People got born in 2013.
What if he is coming this way?
Him and grandma,
What
people
if
think
he's
I was born
not?
in 2013.
What if he is?
He always
Some
is.
dollars
See, I
on
fucking told your fat ass. See, I fucking told your fat ass. Ain't nobody want
See, he's not even coming, you retard. He's not even coming, you tard.
Huh?
Bozos, you guys are lost down.
He's not even coming. He's not even coming that way. He's not even coming that way, you tard. See? He's not even coming. See, you guys is coming from that way.
Got no gun.
Barry, pull my barrel!
Is he still coming?
Oh my god. I know you don't
No,
watch
okay.
Minecraft content.
You are the sacrifice.
All the way through.
You check for me.
Maybe you're watching Minecraft content.
He might be coming from this of the ways. He might be coming from this of the ways. I'm not 100% sure.
Yo, Jay, you gotta move. Jay,
But shut up. You're not even
Hey, we're
coming.
getting chased by the beam. Just say,
Oh
pull
my
my
gosh.
pearl. Pull my pearl.
Shut up.
Bear.
He caught us
Thank
purple.
you, Jay. We're good.
Damn, bro.
He caught us purple.
Oh, my peril.
Because
Shut
no.
the hell up, nigga. Thank you.
Kais have a burger, Pero.
Is he coming?
Jay, what? Jay is
Is
bro coming? Guys, I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go find it.
La Peace. Oh, crap. Why he just zoomed?
Damn, bro.
No,
Damn.
Zoom.
Bill Bam Bob Bob. I'm going to kill myself.
You got, they just got disintegrated, bro.
No, I didn't. I survived. I did not get disintegrated. He gave us a present, guys. He just gave us a present. He gave us a present, guys.
That's what he gets. Yeah.
Whoever just brought us that present, I hate you.
Eat my toes. You fat.
He's not even coming. Yes, he is. He is coming.
He is dead. He is dead.
Guys, he's not even coming this way. He's not even coming this way.
Back door's open. No!
You know you can fit a baby in there.
Oh, hell no.
Bye.
That kid-
Where's it coming from?
He's in back. He turned around. He turned around. He was chasing me.
I
and
saw
being
him, bro. Open the
Okay,
damn
that means
door.
He's going to the Bean of the Avenues, chat.
Damn. He's there. He's either in back or
He's going to the Bean.
back, hallway, or long.
Might be a long
He's going to the Bean of the Avenues. He's going to the Bean of the Avenues.
No, he's in death.
He's going to the Bean of the Avenues, bro.
They're gonna check long.
No, he's in
Okay.
He's not in
death.
He's in death.
Dude, are you sure? Are you like
What?
certain?
guys. He's not in the
I'm 80% sure.
He has to be in the Bean of the Avenue, bro.
He's literally not in
He's in death.
He has to be in the Bean of the Avenue, guys. He was not in the Bean of the Avenues. Bean of the Avenues? Who the hell just killed himself, bro? Black, it's time to wake up, bro.
It's called La
Time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Black, it's time to wake up. Black, wake up, bro. Black, it's time to wake up, bro. Black, you gotta wake up, bro.
It's called La Peace.
Black, you gotta wake up, bro. Never mind, I changed my mind about having to wake him up, bro. I changed my mind. I do not want to wake bro up anymore.
Good, bro, good.
Black, wake up, bro. Black, it's time to wake up. Black, it's time to wake up, bro. Black, it's time to wake up.
No.
Black, it's time to wake up, bro. Black, wake up, bro. Black, wake up. Bro, Black, it's time to wake up. Okay, we can finally switch maps. Jesus. Scared the hell out of me. You know what? We're gonna do crawl space. Oh, well.
I'm in a.
Man, that map sucked. I've always hated crawl space for a while, before it got glitched and stuff. Let's try Dev Town.
Bro, this guy is so scary.
Yo, guys, where is he at? Where the monster at? Where is the monster at, bro?
You gotta give me library.
Where I go?
Is he up here?
The monster, bro. You guys ain't fucking
Oh, yeah, he is.
over there, so he must be. Guys, we could have lead him up it.
That does not count, bro. I did not know where the beam is. I mean, not the beam.
Dude, the bean is just down for the jump scare. The bean is not scary. The bean is literally a black bean with white eyes. Yeah, but
Bro, the bean is scary, bro. I don't know what you mean.
I didn't know exactly the bean. Actually, to be honest, this guy is not scary.
It's only scary whenever you get chased.
Yeah, that's all he does.
The bean it gets scary whenever he chases you, bro. That is the only scary part about him. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Good. He might be coming up the stairs. He might be coming up the stairs. He might be coming up the stairs. Is he coming up the stairs?
He's in here.
Oh, yes, he's coming up the stairs.
He's in the second door.
You fun bum? Haha, you retard. You fun bum.
You can remember your names until you
Hey, yo, guys, I might need some help. I might need some help.
You can remember your demons until you are
Dad?
exhausted. One day they will have to stop and find out.
What they want.
Yeah, you can't even
Keep
jump
on
off
running
that
from those
above.
demons. Tell you what.
Oh wait, he's inside that
Until
building.
you are exhausted.
Oh hell no.
Stop it. You look alive.
Guys, come on. Come help me get him out.
Oh!
Oh.
What the? It can get down? It can get down!
You can remember
Is he coming inside?
until you are exhausted. One day they will have to stop and find out what you want. Oh,
No.
Hello, I'm your neighbor. Get back to you. I'm gonna do a 360.
Gang, I don't think he did the 360, bro.
Oh! No.
I did not know his range was that big. Okay, that's enough of Death Town. The reason I died again was because of freaking delay on that. Okay, run it is.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
I don't want to open up the door.
Open
I don't want to open up the door.
Open the door.
I don't want to open up the
Open the
door.
door.
I don't want to open up the
I'm shaking.
door.
I'm shaking.
I don't want to open up the door.
Wait.
Is he coming?
Oh, we're gonna hop back on.
Yo, how do you even do that, bro?
Stop it. Oh, I feel like I just threw up.
What do you mean? Why am I here? Sorry, but you just got in my way.
You know what? You know what? Where's the monster?
Everybody's getting the Goonie corner.
Why? The monster's not Come on, guys.
Give me coffee. Give me coffee. Yo, don't put that sword up my ass. Give me coffee. Don't put that sword up my ass. We're done. The fuck?
I'm getting out of man.
Okay, no. Whoa, bro, you cannot say no. Why? Oh, the Mary couple. So lovely couple. So lovely. My intro. No. Wait, we're the same time. Me and Watermelon are the same time. Yeah. Well, I'm from England. Watermelon. Oh my God! We're the same type. Yo, we're the same type. Everyone that has a watermelon on their head is the same type.
That is the end of today's video. We will continue playing Run. We will continue playing Run in the next video, aka part 2. So goodbye, guys. That's the end of today's